Hello everyone, I hope we're all having a great day today. So if you're looking for passive income, dividend stocks are a great way to build wealth over time. In this video, we're diving into 5 high-paying dividend stocks that not only offer great yields, but also have strong fundamentals to back them up. Make sure you stick around until the end because the last stock on our list might surprise you. Let's get into it. First on our list is Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol PG. This consumer goods giant owns household brands like Tide, Pampers, and Gillette. PG has been paying dividends for over a century and has increased its payout for more than 65 consecutive years. With a yield of approximately 2.4%, this is a reliable dividend stock that thrives even during economic downturns. So just for fun, let's say you invest $10,000 into Procter & Gamble. Well, that's going to give you an annual dividend payout of $240. Next up, we have Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. This healthcare giant has been a dividend powerhouse, consistently paying and increasing its dividend over 60 years. With a current yield of approximately 3.05%, J&J is a solid choice for stability and steady income. With its diverse product portfolio and strong financials, this is a great long-term dividend stock. So if you invest $10,000 into J&J, that'll give you $305 every year. Next up, our third pick is AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. This pharmaceutical company, best known for Humira, has been a strong dividend payer since its spinoff from Abbott Laboratories, with a yield of approximately 3.1%. AbbVie offers solid dividend growth backed by strong earnings from its drug pipeline. If you invest $10,000 into AbbVie, you'll get $310 in annual dividend payouts. Coming in at number 4, we have Realty Income, ticker symbol O. This real estate investment trust is known as the monthly dividend company because it pays dividends every single month, with a yield hovering around 5.67%. Realty Income focuses on high-quality commercial properties leased to stable tenants. If you're looking for monthly passive income, this is a great stock to consider. If you invest $10,000 into O, you'll be getting $567 every year in dividend payouts. And finally, we have Altria Group, ticker symbol MO, known for its high dividend yields. Altria is a tobacco giant with a yield often exceeding 6.93%. While the tobacco industry is facing challenges, Altria continues to generate strong cash flow and reward shareholders with impressive dividend payouts. High risk, but also high reward for income-focused investors. If you invest $10,000 into Altria Group, you're going to have, of course, $693 in annual dividend payouts. And there you have it, 5 high-paying dividend stocks to help you build a steady income stream. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated to keep making content, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.